Today we'll show you how easily you can create an interface with Event Studio to send purchase order data to the cloud, event-driven and in real time. Inside Event Studio, we can connect multiple SAP backend systems, such as ECC systems or S/4HANA systems. Event Studio comes with a powerful, predefined data catalog that is ready to use out of the box. Here you'll find the most common business objects, such as purchase orders, business partners, and sales orders. You're not limited to standard content. By switching off the standard data objects, you can easily design your own custom datasets and payloads. This allows you to create custom CDS-based payloads tailored exactly to your business needs. Let's take a closer look at the purchase order catalog. Here you can see the events linked to this payload. For example, classic business object events such as Bus 2012. You can also link modern wrap events. And of course, multiple events can be assigned to the same payload. In the payload section, you see all fields that make up the message. Everything defined here is automatically sent as JSON to the cloud. From this payload design, you can instantly generate an AsyncAPI specification. It provides a complete ready-to-use schema, including data types and field lengths, perfect for downstream consumers. Now let's create an interface that reacts to a wrap event. All it takes is a single click on Deploy. Next, we select the target connection. In this case, SAP Advanced Event Mesh. The required connection attributes are filled in quickly and easily. With that, the interface is deployed. Under Instances, you can now see your newly created interface. Up and running. Now we change a purchase order. Once it's saved, the wrap event is triggered and the data is sent instantly to SAP Advanced Event Mesh, in real time. Let's take a look at the message in the monitor. The monitor gives you full transparency. Here you can see all inbound and outbound messages. On the left, you see the request containing the updated purchase order data. At the top, you can see the post request using a dynamic topic. Dynamic topics are fully configurable and can combine static elements with business data from the purchase order. After the static part, the topic continues with dynamic values such as the purchase order number, type, organization, and purchasing group. On the right, you see the response from SAP Advanced Event Mesh. A 200 OK confirms that the message was delivered successfully. This is how fast and easy it is to build modern event-driven integrations. Real-time data. Cloud-ready. No coding required. Everything driven by configuration.